OMG Nation? I just wanted to give you guys an update. I wanted to show you why I didn't have an upload this Saturday. First Saturday in forever. I had one this week, so technically I haven't missed a week, but I normally have an upload for Saturday. I had something planned, and something interrupted my plans. Let me show you. Hold on. So as you guys can see, I'm a little snowed in. I didn't have anything scheduled for other than just a straight moto vlog, so now I gotta kind of come up with something. So that's the reason that I didn't have an upload the first Saturday ever that I didn't have an upload. Hopefully I'll have something for next week. Well, let's see how it goes. Okay, so sorry about that. Let me shut the garage, keep the garage door shut. Now I can start. So I'll put something together this week. I got to come up with a new plan, like I just said, and we'll just go from there. So hopefully I'll come up with something here real quick, and I'll have something for Saturday's upload. I know that this stuff is supposed to last all the way through Sunday of this coming weekend and possibly through the middle of next week. So we'll just see. I'll come up with something though. I appreciate all of you tuning in for this quick video update. And do not forget, I've got 139 other videos you can go back through and watch if you haven't seen some of those. If you have not already, please consider subscribing to the channel and becoming a part of the OMG Nation. Thank you for watching, everyone. Look, I've got... Oh, stall.